For those of you who don't know me, my name is Charles Minima. I'm a candidate for State Senate, the 17th District. My opponent has been pushing very vigorously for Mayfield government in Kanawha County, with most of the citizens of this county opposing. He worked also very hard on the regional airport against Kanawha County Yeager Airport. Maybe some of you have forgotten that, but it's things that you need to remember. Voted for the $3 cell phone tax. If you have a cell phone and the rest of your family have a cell phone, plus your home phone, you count how much in tax dollars you're paying for your phones. My name is Charles Minima. I'm a candidate for State Senate, the 17th District.